Welcome back to Product Critique. Today we're looking at what I believe is the best Mother's Day stationery you can find. The 30-set Happy Mother's Day letterhead paper by Remerabel. If you've been searching for a heartfelt way to express appreciation to your mom this year, this may be exactly what you've been waiting for. Let's start with what makes this product stand out. This stationery is designed specifically for Mother's Day, and the aesthetic alone speaks volumes before a single word is written. Each sheet features a warm combination of red and pink tones, delicate heart accents, and carnation illustrations. Carnations are traditionally associated with Mother's Day, symbolizing love, gratitude, and admiration, so this design choice isn't just decorative, it's meaningful. The size of each sheet is standard US letter format, 8.5 by 11 inches. This makes it practical, printer-friendly, and familiar in format. The moment you touch it, the quality becomes clear. The paper is smooth and structured just enough to feel premium. And it's resistant to ink bleeding, meaning whether you're writing with pen, gel ink, or even printing your message, the outcome remains crisp and elegant. What I really like about this stationery set is that it isn't just paper, it feels like a gift. Instead of a quick text message or a store-bought card with generic words, this gives you the opportunity to say something personal and unforgettable. Whether you're a daughter or a son, whether you're writing something emotional, funny, reflective, or poetic, the paper itself elevates the sentiment. It becomes something she can keep in a drawer or frame, something she'll revisit years later. This set includes 30 individual sheets, so it isn't limited to just one letter. You can use the rest for handmade gift inserts, scrapbook pages, invitations, framed quotes, or messages from grandchildren. It also works beautifully for schools, events, or group messages if multiple people want to write something meaningful to a mother figure. Another detail worth noting is how well the design balances decoration with writing space. The artwork frames the page rather than overpowering it, leaving plenty of room to express your thoughts. The paper feels personal yet still versatile, which makes it a great choice no matter your writing style. If you're looking for a simple yet powerful way to express love this Mother's Day, this stationery transforms a message into a keepsake. It's thoughtful, affordable, high quality, and sentimental, and sometimes the most meaningful gifts aren't complicated. If you'd like to check it out for yourself, the product is listed under the brand Remerabel as a 30-sheet Mother's Day letter paper set. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you enjoy helpful product deep dives like this, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next review. See you in the next one.